Okay, so 40.
40. This.
Yeah, hold on. Okay, go 40.
4. 4.
Good. 0. So it says 40 there. So now you're gonna push upload to device. Click there. Good. Now it's uploading. Now you can try pushing A. See what happens. Okay, now try it. What do you think?
Yes.
Hi guys, this is Miss Lee at the Learning Lab. Today we're going to be looking at the new Codey Rocky from MakeBlock. Kids who come to my lab know that we use a lot of MakeBlock stuff here. You can see it in the back. We use the mBots for our beginner coding class, and we also have a neuron kit that we use for the intermediate class. But MakeBlock actually sent me this Codey Rocky, which is their newest coding toy and learning device that's for kids from age 6 and up. And for full disclosure, like, it's supposed to be an unboxing, but I've actually let the kids play with it for about 2 weeks. Oh, there's a power button. Okay, power button's on the side. And it's on. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I? Yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Book and regular reading. I took its head off. What we ended up finding out is that the Codey Rocky actually has a lot more functionality than I was expecting from a robot. The Codey Rocky comes in a little box like this. There are 8 color cards with the colors labeled on them. Those are for the color, the infrared color sensor.
Oh.
Okay. It comes with a robot body, and you can see the adapter kind of holes where you can put in your Lego pieces.
I am nice and stinky.
Mr. Panda has something.
You.
Mr. Panda has something.
Mr. Panda has something? Oh. You're developing a crane?
Now many people can go on it.
Hey.
So cute. The big part of the robot, the Codey Rocky, is this kind of head controller. And so then it comes with a bunch of sensors, including some on the inside that you can't see. On the front you can see buttons, an A button, a B button, and a C button. There's like a LED screen. I'm going to turn it on. And that's the LED light that you can control the color of that light. And then the LED screen, you can do like animations, like it comes built with an animation. And it's got a USB port. It has, it also has like I think it's called a gyroscope. It can sense tilting, so you can use you can code a lot of functions for if you tilt the head forward or backwards. I just left it with the default code that it came with, so it comes loaded with some code. On the body you can see there's the IR color sensor and also a distance sensor on the front, and that's movable, so you can have the Rocky looking down at the ground or looking up at something in front of it, and it comes with these kind of tracking wheels. Alright, the code it comes loaded with shows off a little bit of what it can do. So then